Cabin crew simulator, and next up we have crash landing. So I don't know how crash landing works. I'm just expecting that this crashes somewhere. I think it just crashes randomly. Crash landing. London airport is so big, I'm getting confused everywhere I go. What the heck? I'm literally the only flight out here, but other than that one. But that one's departing 2 hours, I departed at 1:40, that one's departing at 12:85. What the heck is a water closet? What is a water closet? Alright, we have 10 passengers. Alright, now we're gonna...
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard. Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Now the only reason why I'm doing cabin crew simulator is because I have more people.
This is your captain from the flight deck.
Now Typhoon 10 is supposed to end at like 3 p.m. I'm just not sure if it's confirmed or not. So the first plane is actually trying to land right now. The first plane is trying to land at it's scheduled at 2:04, but it's in 17 minutes. Ah, go, no, 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 no!
Captain speaking. We have experienced an issue with the aircraft, and we are going
Nah,
to
crash that, we're crash landing!
immediately. Flight attendants, quickly make sure everyone is in the brace position.
Brace, 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 brace. Everyone brace, brace. Going down! We're landing in the field. Dang it.
Brace.
Mayday, mayday, mayday! We're in a field.
This is your captain speaking. The aircraft has landed but is on fire and may explode. Flight attendants, open the boarding door and evacuate all the passengers as quickly as possible. Evacuate, evacuate, evacuate.
I think I lost someone. I think someone died. Is there only 5? Oh. Okay. Alright, and the plane's gonna actually explode this time. I think. exploded. Look at this. All brown. Look at this. We can't even fly this thing anymore. And that is crash landing. Next one is I forgot what was the next one. Anyways, peace.